Hi y'all, how y'all doing? It's me, Naturally-Roshani, here again with another video. Today's video is, first of all, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So I'm going to start off this vlog. Currently it's 10 o'clock p.m. I just finished packing for our vacation trip at going to Tampa, Florida. So guys, I got the bags here. The only bag missing is of my husband. Okay, so that bag is missing because he hasn't packed yet, so he is coming back to pack his bags. So I'm gonna show you guys our bags. So I packed these are the bags. So yeah, so these are our bags that we are going to have. We need one more bag of my husband. And guys, so I have like everything laid out for them. So I have everything laid down for them. Their clothes that they are going to be wearing, in the morning. So yeah, so I got these clothes right here. I got their outfits here ready for wearing. Okay, ready to wear in the morning, because we have to leave the house at exactly 4 a.m. because we have to board in the plane at the plane boards. So boarding starts at 5:45 and the plane sets off at 6:15. We are landing in Tampa, Florida at 8:30 a.m. in the morning tomorrow. So yes, so I am excited this summer break. Just ready to unwind, ready to just have fun, ready to just not think about work or anything like that. Not even exercise routine, because you know that is part of my life. So I'm gonna take a break from exercising and just like have fun, y'all, with the family. Like, we are excited of this trip, and God has been good, and we just give him all the glory, honor, and adoration, y'all. So guys, I hope you guys are going to enjoy this vlog. All right guys, if you haven't already subscribed, y'all, what are y'all waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. My name is Naturally-Roshani. I share everything lifestyle. All right, y'all. Peace. We are here. We are at the shuttle bus heading to the Southwest Terminal 1. We are so tired, y'all. We didn't sleep, y'all. Look. We are here getting ready to check in, y'all. We are so excited. I'm excited. It's currently 4:15 right now. 4:15 a.m.
I wanna lose all control tonight. When I see you across that room, I turn into another guy. I've never known the words to say to you, but I just know you feel the same. I can see it in your eyes. It's fake and we know that the stars have aligned. Girl, it's me and you, let's break through. Can't wait for another night. I let myself around you, I can barely breathe. I know that you're feeling something, girl, it's obvious. Let's break through, can't wait for another night. I love myself around you, I can barely breathe. I know that you're feeling something, girl, it's obvious to me. You could be my paradise, I could be your kryptonite. I know talk is cheap, but we could fall in love. You never know. You never know.
All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this my boarding call. Bags up there against the wall. Step on a flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Find myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new with that. Got my crew in the back, I feel alright.
Take me to my city. Look at the window, it's so pretty. No need to be quiet, I'm making it stop, so won't you rock with me? Just step up to the London town.
What?
Look at me now, I shut it down. Gonna make this world my own, won't stop next up to this party, those gold.
1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say,
We don't care.
cause love will lead the way.
Let it out, let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Move, move, step in the scene. Life is a journey and this is my dream. Doing it for UK, LA, Miami, straight to the Philippines. Every city is a dance floor. Traveling the world like we on tour. That's right, I do it for B More. My hometown, it's all yours.
We're 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say,
We don't care.
cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Put your hands up.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Yeah. Come on,
Tonight we'll celebrate.
let's go. Hope my passport doesn't expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. Living my dreams past my desire. Let's go.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Don't matter what color, don't matter where you're from, we're gonna have a good time. Let's give the world love. Don't matter what color, don't matter where you're from, we're gonna have a good time. Let's give the world love.
We are approaching the main terminal and Airport Marriott Hotel. Please follow signs for ground transportation.
Needing a ride? Try our Blue Express lanes for faster pickup at the airport. To get there, follow the signs to Blue Express.
Fast forward. Yeah, they do. Yes, they do. Boy. 8:53. 8:53. Yeah. We are going to pick up our bags, y'all. We are here. It's 8:30 in the morning. Ready for the fun, y'all. Alright guys, so we are currently in Tampa, Florida. We are waiting on our shuttle bus to take us to the rental place. So we used Easy Rent. And yes, so here are the boys. Here are the boys. It's currently 8:56 a.m. in the morning. Well, here are the palm trees, y'all. We are not in DC anymore. We are back to the palm coconut trees, palm trees. I could literally smell the beach from here, y'all. Beautiful. We are excited about to eat some food now because we have no breakfast. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy the vlog. Food is here.
It's hard being a star sometimes. It's obvious that I'm missing out on all the things people hanging out. If I don't know nothing, I know one thing, and it's that every time the family plays, we light up and pour the drain. Every time I see my face, all the stress go down the sink. I know it, I know it. We gon' have a good time. I know it, I know it. We gon' have a good time. It's a reunion, and thank God everybody here. It's a reunion. Raise the glass to cheers. It's a reunion. I do my 2 steps left, 2 steps right. Run 2 times, then jump back twice. Ooh, when I get the blues, no clue. Pick up the phone, call a crew. If I don't know nothing, I know one thing, and it's that every time the...
Hi guys, so we have arrived at the hotel. So we arrived at Tampa at 8:30 in the morning, but then we had to go eat, and then we walked around, bought some few things that we needed, and we are finally here. So I'm gonna show you guys the room tour. Is quite big, bigger than what we had in Miami last year. So yes, so here we are. So this is the door right here as you come in. So that is the outside, and the pool is right there.
At least it's closer than last time.
Yes.
You don't have to walk like 2 minutes.
So here is a table. They have like this table here, and like they have like different things on here. They got a lamp, trash can, a TV, a nice big screen TV, and I think that's a fridge if I'm not mistaken, microwave, And here are the 2 beds, full-size beds. So these are the 2 beds. And the phone, the clock, the lamp. And here's the mirror, y'all. They got this nice mirror right here. And we had to buy some things, so yeah. And then here we come to the bathroom. They got this nice little bathroom here. The hair dryer, the mirror, like little things here and there. We had to buy our own soap though. And then we have the I guess this is a closet, and there's iron, the hangers. It's kind of dirty though, but anyways. So yeah, so we got this, and here's the bathroom. The bathroom is nice, and yeah, it's okay. So it's nice, it's spacious.
It's tight.
The toilets too, they need to be washed. Ew, that's nasty. Look at that. Somebody need to wash that. Ew. But I'm just gonna clean it. No biggie. But yeah. Yes. So guys, that's it for the room tour. We are going to relax now, take a nap and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're just gonna chill for now. So yes, we are excited.
Can I show them my new face?
Okay.
It's not funny.
All right, y'all. Peace.